Okay, this is the last part of that flag work. So those 4 people just finished and everybody's coming back out on the floor. All right, so you're going to come out, you're in your left hand and it's tucked under your arm. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Come out in like a weird, funky little stir, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your hand over. All right, then you're just going to do up and over, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you're going to do what Carolina Special, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, but it's going to go around your back, and you're holding it like, kind of like that. See how I'm holding it? And then you're going to turn to the right, stepping on my flag. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to unwind it using your right hand. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then we're going to go around 9, 10, 11, 12. And maybe that will be a ripple. I'm not sure. Okay? All right. And then 13, 14, 15, 16 could be the ripple part. Okay? From here, you're going to wrap it around your waist, come up, and then turn and go into that. Okay? So everybody's doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to come up to a drop spin. Catch it like a money hand. I want you to scoot down and up. Okay? And then you're in like a pose. Okay? And then that's where the music starts, kind of like the lyrics stop. And so everybody on a certain count will do a stir and out. And then you'll go to your spot. We'll put all of our flags down in the shape of a rainbow. And that'll be the end. All right. Let me try to do it with counts just a little faster. All right, before I turn it off. Okay, so you're like this, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, stir out 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up 1, 2, 3, 4. Around Carolina Special 6, 7, 8. Turn around 1, 2, 3, 4. Come out 5, 6, 7, 8. Waterfall. I don't know if I did that before. Then you're going to turn, come around like that. And you're going to come up, drop spin, come down, and scoot. And then you're going to do a little stir to come out of it. Okay? Doing it from the back. Here's what it looks like from the back. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir out 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up 9, 10, 11, 12. Carolina Special 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up 5, 6, 7, 8. Come around. That's a waterfall part. Then you're going to go around your legs. Come up. Stir around and out. You come up, drop spin, come down, scoop, and then you're going to wait until your turn, and then you can stir out and go to your spot. Okay, good. That's the ending flag feature.